Hi everyone, this is Grails wschat part 10. It's 10 past 1 at the moment. The reason for such a late video is because I've been doing this video a few times and I've hit a few problems. And I've started again and yeah, here we are. But it's all done now and I wanted to upload it and explain what this is all about and put it as part of the documentation to upload. So I'll try and make it quick. First of all, we had an issue raised about the plugin live chat system, and what this user wanted was uh, 3 different users. They interact with the site member of staff or site admin, and in this model, each user is sending a private a chat room message to the admin user who receives them as a private message. They send a message back through the private message. These users get it back independently. As part of the plugin, I've also added the main chat room, and if they use the admin messages through that, all 3 or 4 or whatever users will get the message or broadcast it to them. You can have this process over and over again. So you can have room B, room C, and room B will have a different admin and have different users, and so on and so on. So this can be repeated. So to get going, what I've done is I've created something called LiveChat 2, and in here I've put a form which it's got 2 fields, use from room, and it posts it to LiveChat 3. LiveChat 3 takes those values and generates a call to LiveChat. LiveChat is a new tablet call, which takes a call, points it to customer chat tagging. You'll find things like email address, which you could have passed along as part of your process, which I'm not doing here. So it then binds it to username. If unfound, it's a guest username. Room not found, it's a random room, but in this case we want it to be the same room, to go back to the example, and 3 different users in the same room. It adds them to a customer booking, and then emails to the admin group to say someone's waiting. But the admin group have also got another way of seeing live chat requests now as well, and that's regardless of whether it's the new method or the existing custom chat method. They'll now have a way of seeing live chat requests waiting or outstanding. Okay, so let's get going. What we're going to have is we're going to have happy user going to happy room. They can't do anything because there's no one in there at the moment. So if we log in as site admin, we now got a new option called view live chat rooms. Go to that to see the happy room. So if we also go into it as a silly user into happy room, we now are also waiting over here. If we look at it again, we've only got 1 room. If we can test this, if the user goes to sad room, we should get 2 rooms. Yeah? But what we're doing at the moment, we're testing 1 room. So they're waiting. Look at it again, we should have 1 room. So if we join it now, things change. This gets hidden because that becomes a global messenger, although I'm going to have to relabel this to something else. Because in that it's sharing the same template, and in that other one it's the normal chat room. Another feature that's been added is LiveChat PM, and you really want to ignore all the other options. And when you're in this LiveChat mode, talking to a LiveChat customer, which as you can see now, they wasn't able to do anything before, but they can now. So hello user, happy user. Got 2 different PMs from 2 different users. Over here, happy users got their happy message. Silly users got their silly message. Broadcast. Over here, broadcast test URL has been received here, and it's also been received here. So you can see that this acts as the global messenger for all of them, whereas over here, specific message 1 going to silly. Happy users got that. Over here, silly users got that. So with that all in mind, that's everything really that request asks for, and it's all working. A couple of things I wanted to show you around that was, first of all, if we want to show you the rooms, that you can see the difference between this bot and that live chat and the previous one. Go to live chat. We go to create new session. Live chat rooms. We've still got one room, yeah. So over here, if we create the old method where a bot joins in, okay, if we look at this again, got that room created for this user here. As you can see, the rooms match up. 2258, 2258, yeah. If we got to change something in here, in the main layout, I'll get rid of that. And let's take that here. There. So now that's some really random guest username. And a different room name as well. Okay. Oh, we had one. See, now we've got 2 rooms. So you can see the difference is when you use the existing messaging live chat system, you get an independent room per user, whereas in the new method you can bind different users into the same room. And the good part of it is that it's quite transparent in the sense that if this user leaves or joins, this user doesn't know about it. So if we go back to, so the user goes back in again, this user isn't aware, but admin should have seen, admin hasn't seen it either, although they will see it because they're no longer in the list there. When they join, they're back on. And as you've noticed here as well, is when they've rejoined and the admin's already in the room, they can start talking straight away. So that's that part of it, but what I wanted to also show you was emailing. Do I get time for that? Probably not. But yeah, so that wraps up. But the email, yeah, I mean, I'll quickly go through the emailing. So at the moment, I can't connect to my local host.